guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to dropship a product from printify.com. So the first thing you have to do right now is jump on your browser, go to your Shopify store or any store you want to dropship the product to. But firstly, I want to explain, in this video, I want to explain how to dropship product from Printify down to a Shopify store. So guys, the first thing you have to go to is to go to your store backend, which I am right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on apps, and immediately I click on apps, I already have my Printful account with my Shopify store. So the next thing you have to do then is type Printful, then you click on the app, install app, integrate the apps with the Shopify store. Once you are done integrating it, you are going to be on the Printify dashboard. So after creating your Printify, you have to do that, okay? So this is my Printify dashboard right here. So, and if you want to link the store as well, apart from using that method, you can also check this store section right here. You can also click this store section on Printify. Then you scroll down to the option of Shopify. Then once you're able to click on Shopify, it will instruct you how you're going to do it again as well. You can see guys, I already integrated my Shopify store here, right here. But if I want to integrate it to other stores, I'm going to add this plus. As you can see, it is active. And some of the store is OmiHub and the currency USD worldwide. So back to the main point. So now I'm going to click on my Printify. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So the next thing now is to think about how to get the product down to the store. So let me go to my store now. I want to show you something. So this is the store I just created a few minutes ago. Briefly, I just want to explain some things to you guys. That's why I just made this store. It might not be that professional enough, but I just made it just to explain to you guys and show you and put you through how I did it. And now I dropship this product is from Printify, from Printful. Sorry, I dropship this product from Printful, and I designed this product. As you can see, I added the eagle logo on the long sleeve this guy is wearing. So, and the shoe, the clothes, color, yes, I edited everything on Printful. So the next thing for me to go is to click on this section. So this section right here, immediately you click on, immediately you upload your first product, you are going to see this section right here. It's going to take you down to this page. So the next thing I'm going to do in this page is I'm going to click on add product. Like I want to ship another product into my store. And most times you can also use a specific collection. So for example, I have used this collection earlier. I want to use another collection now, and I'm going to scroll through this. For example, the earlier product was menswear, so I'm going to click on women's clothing. Then I'm going to pick a product. Thereafter, I will drop ship it. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Remember, there is 5 steps here on Printful. First step is pick the product. Second step is redesign the product. Third step, media. Fourth step, details. That's the product description, the price. The product description and lots more. The product title, everything. So subcategory and everything of the product is going to be here. And pricing. You're going to be able to add more price to the product here for your own gain, for your own profit. So all these 5 steps, keep following, guys. Keep following me on how I'm going to set up everything, and I'll be very, very happy you enjoy the journey. Good. So guys, I want to pick a product which are the women. Okay, I want to pick a product based on women. Okay, let's go with this, guys, because I already dropshipped a product earlier based on men, and I want to pick another product now based on women. So I'm clicking on the product. Yes, it's already selected. So let's think about something right now, guys. What logo do you want to add on this cloth? Let's think like a woman. A woman like something like rose. Let's say rose. Yes. So I'm searching for rose now. I want to download the rose image, and I'm going to open the new tab as well. I'm going to add background remover, then rose. Okay, reload. Okay, there is something that is not right there. Okay. Yeah, so image. So I want to type rose. Yes, rose. Good. So I see the option now. I'm going to click on let's test one, guys. I am checking for rose here and get a very good image of rose. I'm going to use it. For example, let's make it much okay. I'm going to use this particular one. So I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to okay, there is a watermark below the image. So check the image you want to use before or any image you want to add to your product. Check the image very well. Does it have any watermark? So regardless of this watermark, I'm going to save this image now. Because of why, I'm going to remove the background, and I think the background, including the watermark, should be gone when I remove the background on the background remover. So I'm going to I've saved it. So I've saved it now, and you can see it's already down here. I just saved it with a very fast thing to make everything much faster. I hope you understand, guys. So the next thing now is to drop our image on here. Wait for it background to remove. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, guys, as you can see, the watermark earlier is gone now. So this image is good and it's safe for you to use on your product. So the next thing is to download. Then I'm going to go back right here where I was earlier. I picked this product. So I already removed the background of this product. So the next thing for me is to drag and drop this image down here. So the next thing now is to set the image where I want it to be. And okay, it's going to take a few minutes for Printful to get the image on the product. So you're going to wait. So while waiting, I'm going to take you back to my store right here. So you coming back to my store right here, the next thing is I have various themes. So and as well, I added some social media here. So as you can see, First Express worldwide shipping on your first order, and the store name, this shopping bag, and a big banner. Then the next one, then the product. As you can see, this product size. Yes, those are the features on Printful. Sorry, the product size you can change it here. If you want to see the back view of the product, you are allowed to. And in this product I'm about to dropship now, I'm going to add these rows both in the front side of the video of the product and at the back side of the product. Sorry, guys. So I'm waiting for it to load now. So this is the reason why it takes time, and I have to explain something else. So let me scroll down now. Let me see what I need to explain again. And okay, that's all, guys. Let me go back again to check. So mind you, before I go back now, the main thing you should always do whenever you're designing a store is always click on save, because regardless of the connection, there could be a breakup at any time. So always save your designs while designing a store, because it's really stressful. You have been designing for almost 30 minutes and you did not save it. All of a sudden something happened and your connection went off. So you have to save. Okay, good. So now I need to, okay, please hold on, guys. I'm very, very, very sorry about that. And now I picked a new product. Then I'm dropshipping it now. I've added the rows now on this product. So I'm waiting for it to get, for the product, for the logo I added to load on it now. So once it's done loading, guys, I'm going to proceed to the next page and show you everything. So guys, I want to keep using this same logo because I've been unable to change it to that role. So I want to edit this logo now. I'm editing it currently. So I want to increase the size for it to be more visible on the product. Okay, I think this is okay. So the next thing to do now is thereafter you're going to scroll up. As you can see, it is 4 steps now after design. So the next thing I'm going to click on, the size is already here, and product. Let me check. Going back up now to check. And full screen preview. Yeah. Yes, so this is how the product is going to look like, guys. So I'm going to go back now and click on continue. Thank you for being patient. I really appreciate your time so much. I've been a little bit rough earlier, but I thank you for staying with me and enjoying the journey and understanding what I'm doing. So as you can see, guys, the logo is already on this product. So now check here as well. Okay, the logo is not here, but it's on the front side of okay, let me check something. Okay, everything is back now. I'm going to click on continue. Sorry guys, I think it is my connection that is causing this. Okay, proceed to details. Okay, proceed to pricing. So guys, I've rectified everything. So the next stage I am right here is description. This is details. So I'm going to click, as you can see, everything is well set up here from Printful. Then the next thing is to click on proceed to pricing. So submit. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down to see. So guys, this is the price. So I want to add more to this price because the product is going to be in dollars and the currency I am using right here is totally different. It's rupee. So I have to add it very, very high in order to make up with the amount of the product in dollars. So you can also do the same thing, guys, and I'm increasing the prices based on the product size. So you should check everything out before you list them successfully. And the next thing is submit to store. So I'm going to wait for a while. Yeah, it's submitting the product to the store. Then now I'm going to go to my store right here. I'm going to click on okay, I have to refresh this store page right here. Yes, reload. So guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to click the product you already dropshipped just now. I'm going to show you how you're going to click it in your store and it's going to display in your store. Keep watching. So while this is loading, I want to reload this page right here where I dropshipped the product just now. So I'm reloading this page. The Shopify store is also loading. The Shopify store is loading, guys. Okay, good. We're back online, guys. So now I'm going to scroll down to this section right here. So this section right here, I'm going to duplicate this section. This unisex windbreaker. So I'm going to click on this section. So my connection is messing up today. So okay, now the next I'm going to click on is duplicate plus. Yeah, I want to duplicate this section right here. So I'm going to click on duplicate. Then I will scroll. Duplicate should be somewhere here. Yes. The duplicate I'll display now. So this duplicate, I'm going to click on this collection section. I'm going to click on change product. Then I already listed a few minutes ago. As you can see, Women Colombia. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on select. Then I'm going to click on save.